Palatka, April 2016, for the Palatka trip. I don't know everybody's names. I know some names, but I don't know all of them, so I'm going to ask you to introduce yourself as I come by. Who are you, sir?
I'm the Pat Johnson, the good-looking one.
He's the Pat Johnson, the good-looking one. That is his opinion. We'll let that go.
Pat Johnson, Pensacola.
Okay. And over here, this fine-looking couple here, state y'all's name. I'm videoing. What's y'all's names?
I'm Carol, and that's Dennis.
Dennis and Carol in Duckling, and they're home on wheels.
That's right.
Okay, I'm just videotaping people putting their boats together.
Yeah, we got to put the reef in her before we go.
That's a smart thing to do. And here's our sea pearl. State your names. I know Pat Jackson, the good-looking one. Pat Johnson, the good-looking one.
I'm Dee.
You Dee? Walt. Okay, and this is your sea pearl.
21 swing wing, 1986.
1986 swing wing.
And she's between names.
And she's between names.
Yep.
Now you could just call her babe. That's what I did for all the girls that I dated. I never remembered their names, so I just say, hey, babe.
By the time we get to Cedar Key, she'll have a new name.
Oh, okay. And you'll have to christen it all over again.
That's what we're in the process of doing it.
Oh, okay.
We have a whole ceremony planned for next weekend.
You don't get the, you know, don't have, you know, yeah, and have them cut loose the Kraken on you.
So we are not going to get King
Where did
Neptune
you guys
upset.
find the virgin to be on the front of the boat?
We have grandchildren.
I just squeeze one.
2-year-old grandchildren.
You just squeeze the diaper out on you.
We actually opted to go for the red wine version.
Oh, okay.
There is a red wine.
All right, Gatito. State your name. What's your name? Tom. I'm Lou. Yeah, I'm videotaping this for posterity's sake. And this is your first mate and?
I'm Barb Lincoln.
And Barb. I'm not sure if she's your first mate, but this is your mate, right?
Yeah.
Well, y'all getting ready to go out? Pretty boat?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just kind of putting in some videos and I'll post these.
Great. Well, nice meeting you, Lou.
Nice seeing you.
Did you Lou Reese?
Lou Reese, that's right.
Post and everything.
I hope you found them amusing as I tried to make them amusing.
Yeah, did you stay on the dock last night?
Huh?
Did you stay on the dock last night?
Yeah. Yeah, I stayed there, and Tim is at the very end in the Red Witch. He's still working on his boat out there.
Oh, is he out there?
Yeah, he's out there. He spent the night in his tent in the Red Witch,
Yeah.
and then I was in my little boat, my little Precision 18, laid back.
Okay.
So it was fun. It's interesting.
I'm looking forward to it.
Now I'm hoping the winds kind of die down a little bit. It looks like it has calmed down a little bit since earlier, but be ready to start with a reef. Be ready to start with a reef. All right, we got somebody splashing here. I'm going to go ahead and log out here. Our fleet. Got Tito. And I'm not sure, I think that's Duckling. And over there is the Red Witch. And I think that's Chris. And there's a Sea Pearl. Up ahead is Corky Bells. That's where we're going for lunch. That's Chris there. I think that's the Red Witch behind him. I'm not sure where Screecher is. easy to spot because his sail's kind of a bronze color. Oh, there he is. That's Screecher. Hey, duckling, wave, you're on camera. Okay, there's a red witch. Patrick's wife, Joanne. Tim, red witch. It's Chris back there. I apologize for not remembering everybody's names. A little chilly today. Everybody's wearing long sleeves and kind of bundled up. It's supposed to get into the low 70s today. And it's pretty windy. That's why you see everybody with a reef sail. Including yours truly. I'm not even flying my jib. Sailing pretty good.
Plenty of breeze for us out there today.
It is. Okay, racing rules do not hold for the guy with the camera. Huh? Racing rules are not relevant to the guy with the camera, so I have the right of way no matter where I'm going. Yeah, but you're not at the helm. Yes, well, every day on the water's a good day. Tim way up ahead. Now, in case you're wondering, I let all these people past me so I could get these other boats behind me. Yeah, right. So you know where we're heading, going up there. Porky Bells. Tough little pup here. Duckling and the Sea Pearl to be named at a future date. Red Witch out in the lead. Guess he's gonna go get our tables. Here we have Gatito, Screecher, and I don't know if Chris's boat actually has a name. I always just see it as O'Day Day Sailor. log out for the time being now. I'll close it with them. It's okay, once you get back out there, you'll need it again. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to video and take pictures at the same time. I'm not sure if I'm doing it though.
What is it?
Murphy's Island. Down here. It's just down around the
Is it
corner.
for sleeping? You mean like if you're going to stay there and camp?
Camp.
Oh, it's camping.
Oh,
Well, it's
we're-
primitive camping. I mean, it's,
Yeah, we're not going there.
yeah.
We have a spot.
Yep. I know. You guys aren't. I know you guys are. Or you guys aren't now.
Okay, it looks like you and I are backed up a lot.
It's gonna be
That's
cold
all
in the
good.
morning. That's why you bring the woman
There's
with
a
you.
small dock.
Lay her on top of it.
It's only
You'll be all
accessible
right.
by water.
What?
It's an island. It's got a creek around it. There's a group campsite that I reserve. It didn't cost anything. If we don't show up, we don't show up. There's a small dock.
I looked
I've
at the-
never been there. So
I looked at the dock on Google, and it was like 4 kayaks tied up to it, and it was full.
Well, somebody with a motor drive over there and come back and give us a
Well,
report.
that's what I'm
Well,
thinking of doing.
why? We're not going to go there.
Well, no, it might be a good thing to do.
I want to do that sometime when it's
Well,
just
won't
me.
we see each other
I'll
tomorrow?
come up sometime and recall.
Okay, enough of that. Now, tell us what y'all think of the sailing today. This is for the video.
Oh, hey, the video.
Well, everything was fine except for Lou was really pissing me.
Yeah, I tell you what, that guy,
I don't know why y'all ever invite that bastard.
it's been a little nostalgic for me, to be honest with you.
Okay, nostalgic.
This was
Wipe
the
that
first
tear
place
from your
I
eye.
ever sailed that sailboat.
Wipe that tear from your eye there.
Hey.
How'd you guys?
Dennis, you want to comment on today's sailing for the camera?
For the video.
Where's the camera?
We were
at?
scared.
Look at Lou's belly.
We were
Yeah,
scared.
look at my belly.
We were scared coming across.
Hey, up here.
Coming across the river. Dennis said,
Yeah,
my
the
boat
river
felt
was
really
flowing.
small.
We were scared.
Is that one of our groups? Coming in?
That's a sea pearl.
That's a seal.
That might be Kevin. That might be Kevin or Michael Burwell.
That's a sea pearl.
Well, yeah, that could be. That's a sea
He
pearl.
was just getting to the ramp. Oh, wait, all right.
That big fella. Is that better?
Somebody coming in. That could be. Was it Kevin Riley?
Michael Burwell. We sailed 5.67 miles.
How many miles?
5.67 miles. All right. From dock to dock. And that's the track. What's,
So how was
I wish I had my track on. Yeah.
So how was the trip,
Anyone know
Lowell?
who
It
Michael
Oh,
Burwell
um,
is?
was an excellent trip. Did Lou bother you too?
What?
Did Lou bother you too?
No, I just...
I'm surprised that many people showed up.
Well, you, Chris?
We're only gonna have 4, 5,
Chris, you had a good trip in?
He was one
We
of
had
the
a great
ones-
trip in.
All right.
Great sailing.
The way I look at it is any day on the water is a good day, right?
Now we got food and beer, so.
There you go. Food, beer, good company.
Good company.
They saw it from land. I was driving around.
Oh, that's the guy.
Yeah, he's one that posted about
Just shy of 7. But moving average, 3.5.
Yeah, I'm logging off now. All right, here we have Kevin trying to dock his boat next to our other Sea Pearl here.
His new boat for Kevin.
Oh, that doesn't ever reverse, does it? Okay. There you go. Okay, and here we go. Fine seamanship.
This is first time docking too.
I got him out here.
Watch out, you're going to lose that fender. The fender's going over. Also, bring your fender further back because you're going to rub your board, your swing board is going to be hitting up against the amos. Your swing board sticks out pretty far, so you want to protect your swing board from... Okay. All right. Welcome, Kevin. Kevin, say hi and welcome.